Hellos. So in this table I've loaded up my CSV file. It contains tons of columns. I get a writer here, make it a JSON, and I will just put it somewhere. Let me just say I'm gonna ABC. Now over here I just need to put this formula, which is the file name. Click on OK. Now load the writer and click on copy fields, get everything from the reader, get information. We map everything, click on OK. Now from here you say get create new file. I will use GUID, which will generate one for each row. It's over here. Click on OK. Now when I run this, I expect 4 items to be created, and here we go, 1 2 3 4. This should work.